G'day everyone, Stu here from Cedar Summit. I'm on the beautiful north coast with the guys from MoTackle Outdoors. Just going to talk you through the brand new to the range from Jetboil, the Jetboil Stash. This is total unit weighing 200 grams. A 100 gram gas canister will store inside the lid, and you can also store a little lighter. Just making the unit up. Always use the gas canister stabilizer. Clicks in. Little bag for your burner head. This is actually a titanium burner head. Really cool feature. Opens out to the arms. Unclip. Away we go. We can screw it onto our gas canister. As I say, this is the lightest Jetboil cook system, weighing in at just 200 grams. It's got 4,500 BTU. It's part of their fast boil range. Uses that flux ring technology. So as soon as the heat from the burner head hits the bottom, spreads the heat really quickly. So it's got a 0.8 litre capacity. We're just going to boil some water. Perfect for freeze-dried food or coffee and tea on the go. She's lit. Pop the lid on, and it sits really well on top of the burner head. We'll just let that boil away. As I say, great little system, perfect for boiling water for your meals on the go. So we've just boiled 250 ml there. So packing away your Jetboil Stash. Got some really cool features. Unscrew the burner head from your gas canister. This folds in. They fold away. You get a little bag just to protect the burner head and stop it rattling inside. A little Bic lighter will fit in the bottom underneath there. The 100 gram gas canister clips onto the lid. Goes in first. Set the burner head to one side and then drop the lid on the top. Clips on, then handle folds in. Jetboil Stash, 200 grams, lightest from the Jetboil cook system range.